This pumpkin crisp bar recipe is the easiest make-ahead Thanksgiving dessert, and the best part is it only takes 5 minutes of prep. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 cups of large flake or old-fashioned oats, 1/3 of a cup of packed brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix this until everything is well combined, ensuring that you break up any clumps of brown sugar and incorporate all of the flour from the bottom. Next, add 1/2 cup of butter that is melted and cooled slightly. If it's too hot, it will melt your sugar. Use a spatula to mix everything until it is well combined, ensuring that no pockets of flour remain in the bottom. I've lined an 8x8 pan with parchment paper, and I'm going to pour half of my mixture into the bottom. Spread it evenly and then use your hands to pack it down against the bottom and into the corners so you have a nice crust. Now we're going to take 1 540 milliliter can of pumpkin pie mix. This is about 2 1/4 cups, and we want to make sure that we're using the pumpkin pie mix and not pumpkin puree so that we get a nice flavorful pumpkin crisp bar. So we're going to spread this into an even layer, and then we're going to add the rest of our crumble onto the top. Sprinkle this as evenly as possible. We're going to want to make sure that we cover up all of the pumpkin layer. And as always, all of these instructions and the full recipe can also be found down below. Bake this for 35 to 40 minutes in an oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius, removing it as soon as the top is golden brown. Allow it to come down to room temperature, and then you can slice it into bars. I always make these the night before, and that way they're ready to eat for Thanksgiving. I don't even have to worry about dessert. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and I hope that you'll join me next week for a new recipe. As always, thanks so much for watching.